and they are going to love you. Guys, look, this is what's cooking today. So see you in the kitchen. I love you. Bye bye. We miss you. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back once again to Dactive for You channel. Guys, it's been a while, I know, but I've not been feeling well. That is why you guys haven't been seeing me for quite a while now, but I'm feeling a little better and I want to share this amazing recipe with you guys. So guys, today I'm going to make very simple but delicious palava salt recipe. Guys, this is good. Like, it's amazing to serve with your visitors, your friends, for a party. Guys, it's very simple but delicious, I bet you. So here are the ingredients. Let's go quickly through the ingredients. So I have here my spinach, which I have already cooked and then cut. So guys, what I do with my spinach is that I always toss everything from the pack into a saucepan. Then I will cook it for about 8 minutes. Then after that, I cut it into a bigger chunks. It's very easy for me. So I have here my spinach. In total, I have 3 bags of spinach. I use 3. I will leave everything in the descriptive box below. I have here my tomatoes, which I have cut. So this is about 4 plum tomatoes. I have here 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. This is my oil. I'm using olive oil, so I have here my oil. I have here my cut onion. So I used 1 big size onion for this recipe. My Maggie stock cube, I'm using 1. I have here my mackerel, which is baked mackerel. I did it myself. Shrimps, cut mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms of your choice. This is my egusi, akatua, or melon seed. This is it's a mixture of onions, garlic, pepper, and ginger. And this is my salt. So guys, I have my saucepan already on fire. So let's get into this recipe. So these are all the ingredients that I'm using for this recipe. So now I have my saucepan on fire. So at this time, I'm going to add in the oil. Guys, I don't like using too much oil in my cooking, but you can use the one how much that suits you. But for me, I don't like using a lot of oil in my cooking. So at this time, I'm going to go ahead and then add in the onion. I'm going to add in the onion. So it's been 2 minutes. It's been 2 to 3 minutes since we added in the onion. So I'm going to go ahead and then add in my tomato paste. So we're going to just fry this for about 5 minutes. The reason why I love to always add my tomato paste to my stews before I add in the pepper and the onion that I have blended is that when I do it this way, it gives my oil the rich orange color. So at this time, I'm going to add in my blended pepper mixture. So guys, after 5 minutes, this is how it's looking like. So we're going to let it cook for additional 5 minutes to make it 10 minutes. Then we continue. I miss you guys so much. A lot has been happening, guys. A lot has been happening, but glory be to God, we are good now, doing okay, and I'm happy to come back again and be with you guys because I miss you so much. So meanwhile, whilst we wait for the stew, I'm going to just saute my mushrooms on a very high heat for about 2 minutes. I'm going to saute the mushrooms for about 2 minutes. Guys, the reason why I do it this way is that I always want my mushrooms to taste good on its own. So I feel like when I do it like this, it's well seasoned with the salt. So when you are eating the stew and then you come across one of the mushrooms, it tastes good on its own. So I'm going to do the mushrooms and the shrimp at the same time on a very high heat. Guys, like the highest heat on my stove is what I'm doing right now. Yeah, so it has its own taste. Like just sprinkle a little bit of salt to it, and then I just shake it because I want the taste, and at the same time I want my mushroom to be crunchy, so I don't want to overdo it, so I just do it like this. I'm going to add in the tomatoes to it. It's been 8 minutes since I added in the pepper, so I'm going to just add in the tomatoes to it, the chopped tomatoes to it. So I have in the chopped tomatoes. We're going to cook this stew for 8 minutes, then we continue. I'll see it's almost done, guys. In 8 minutes, and this is how it's looking like. So at this time I'm going to go ahead and then add in the mackerel to it and let it be on fire for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add in our spices, which is the Maggie stock cube, and then adding a little bit of salt. Guys, if you can, I haven't added any salt to this since we started, so I have a little bit of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and then add in our, so guys, this is how the mushroom is looking like after I saute it. So I'm going to go ahead and then add in the mushrooms to it. Mushrooms and the shrimp at this time. Guys, look at it. It's so beautiful. And I'm telling you, this is nutrition. So guys, if you don't eat shrimps, you can just take it out, and if you don't eat mushrooms, you can take it out as well. So just look at it. So I'm just going to let this be in the stew. So I'm going to taste for salt at this time to see if the seasoning is okay to my taste. So guys, just look at it. So at this time I'm just going to cover it for about 3 to 4 minutes, then we continue. So guys, this is how it's looking like after 3 minutes. At this time I'm going to go ahead and then add in our egusi to it. I'm I'm going to go ahead and add in the egusi to it. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. So I'm going to, at this time I'm not going to stir it, I'm just going to let it be on like medium to low heat for about 3 minutes, then I'll stir it gently. I don't want it to be smooth in my stew. You want it to, like, I don't know how to say it. People say akatwani did them. Oh my god, bro, why you do a mommy? So guys, it's been 2 to 3 minutes, and then just stir it gently, or better still, you can just shake the pan. So this is how it's looking like after being on fire for 6 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and then add in our spinach at this time. Stir. So guys, this is how our stew is looking like after we added in our spinach. The scent that is coming from this, the aroma from this stew is everything. I can't wait for my rice to get ready. I'm going to eat it with rice. You can eat it with yam, plantains. You can eat it with yam, plantains, kenke, eba, anything of your choice, guys. So at this time I'm going to just toss in some spring onions, that is green onions, which is optional, guys. You can skip this part, but if you have some peppers and you want to add, you can still go ahead and add some bell peppers to it. So I'm just adding this one habanero pepper for those who want extra spice, want get extra spicy. So guys, this is it. So it's all done. You can let it be on fire for about 5 minutes and then your stew is all done. Other than that, at this point you are done, guys. So this is it. This is our stew. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you, and thank you so much for all that you guys have been doing for me and are still doing for me. I can't explain the joy. Thank you so much. So the stew is all done. So guys, please, if you love this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the description. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and we will meet again. I love you guys. I don't know what to say no more. So please, if you love my channel, go ahead and leave me a comment at the comment section, and then like, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends if you find it useful, and they are going to thank you, guys. I'm telling you, this is very simple, but it's crowd pleasing, and your visitors, your friends will love it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. God bless you. Until we meet again, please stay safe, and bye bye.